My name is Michel Petitjean. I'm a former professional in the construction and the equipment rental industry, and I've been running and developing ERA for the last 10 years, since 2006. ERA came out as a vision from a very large rental companies, Loxam, in 2005, to create a European level for an association, provided that there was about 12 national associations. So we tried to come up with some basic ideas on promoting the rental concept, on establishing economic data on a consistent basis, and on working at the harmonization of the regulation at the European level. That was the three pillars for the foundation of ERA. If I compare with former editions of ASEAMAC conventions, this four is by far much larger. There were many more participants as a speaker, many more issues to be covered, so it was a very spread scope of issues covered, which brought a lot of people, both from Spain but from outside Spain, from all over Europe. And with the exhibition, which is even much larger also, it provided a good floor for exchanges, for networking. So the organization is quite professional and readjusted to what Spain needed for the industry. Right now, as we speak, in early 2018, the European rental industry has experienced a pretty nice year in 2017, which was actually the first year of full recovery because all the countries had a positive growth, and that was the first time over the last 10 years. So we are entering a new phase of medium growth, but solid growth, and the prospects are pretty positive and good for the future. In all of Europe. Now, the situation could be different country by country, but more or less it's positive for all of Europe. No, evidently it's not the same. For example, if you take the major market such as UK had an excellent run over the last 5 years until last year, and because on the one part of the Brexit, but mostly because it was the end of a cycle of recovery and strong investment, UK is experiencing now some mild years, which will be in 2017 and 2018 probably, but we expect a stronger recovery starting 2019. If you take Germany, they also come out of a pretty good run. They are really helped out by the situation of the country with regards to the migrant situation, which brings a lot of residential construction, which continues to support growth. As for France, after a pretty slack period since the Euro crisis in 2012, which is, by the way, the case for many other countries, France seems to have finally recovered by the end of 2017. So they had an excellent 17 at plus 6 or 7%, and they are deemed now for keeping a pretty solid growth for the midterm. Right now, that's the state. Now, you talk about immediate future. All of Europe just experienced a very, very strong winter with a lot of, so this could have an impact on the comparisons month to month over 1 year. But this is only, this will be adjusted over time. Rental associations are critical. They are critical at two levels. They are critical at the national level because associations take care of the daily concerns of their members, when it comes to social regulation, fiscal, technical, safety, and so on. They also participate to the thinking process of conditions, terms of conditions, statistics, a lot of things, promotion. That's for the National Association. On an upper level, as I said before, ERA, the European Association, has a different status because helped out by the National Association, ERA can develop with the National Association and with the larger companies and with the stakeholders, develop some expertise by surveying the best practices and thinking through quite far into the future. I could tell you many projects we even developed yesterday, but we can get into perspective over the long term when it comes to how to manage with new generations, how to manage with new technologies, which gives us more support to do at the European level, because we enjoy more expertise altogether.